Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now, you must be wondering where I've been all this time, but since it'll probably take another video to explain everything, I've written an update in the description box. Now, let's get on with today's video. Today, I'll be unboxing the famed Tombow dual brush pens. If you're unfamiliar with Tombows, they're art markers with a paintbrush tip as well as a fine bullet tip, and can be used for modern calligraphy, brush lettering, highlighting, coloring, you get it. They're praised throughout the studying community, so I finally decided to get some to try for myself. As you can see, I got the Pastel color pack. Tombow has at least 10 different packs, all with their own unique set of colors. Each pack contains 9 colored pens, as well as a colorless blender pen. I got mine for about $13, but I believe it's about $16 now. So here's the nylon brush tip. It's long and quite flexible, so it's good for brush lettering. And here's the fine bullet tip, which can be used for normal writing or detail work. So here's a clip of me brush lettering in real time with the sound on. And here's a clip of me swatching the rest of the colors, but it's sped up because, let's be honest, I'm pretty slow at brush lettering. Next, here's some swatches of all the bullet tips. For this blending tutorial, I'll be using the colorless blender, as well as these two shades of blue. First, draw with the lighter color, then layer the darker color on top. Finally, use the blender pen and with quick, light strokes, move the darker ink towards the middle of the letter, creating a really pretty gradient effect. Thank you so much for watching. I know we're going through hard times right now, but I hope you all are staying safe and well. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you soon with another video.